21.5 inches Full HD, 1920 by 1080, widescreen IPS display. And Radeon FreeSync technology. No compatibility for VESA Mount. Refresh rate 75 Hz, using HDMI port. Zero frame design, ultra thin, 4 milliseconds response time, IPS panel. Ports 1x HDMI 1x VGA. Aspect ratio 16:9. Color supported 16.7 million colors. Brightness 250 nit. Tilt angle -5 degree to 15 degree. Horizontal viewing angle 178 degree. Vertical viewing angle 178 degree. 75 Hz. Top reviews from the United States. Great budget monitor. This review is for the SB220Q series, 1920 by 1080, 75 Hz monitor variant. At a $90 price point as of July 2020, all of the praise this monitor has gotten and continues to get is pretty well deserved. Right out of the box, the factory calibration is pretty awful, as with most TVs and monitors. I'll never understand why that is. But Acer's built-in menu gives you a wide range of control to tweak the image quality to your liking. Here are some of the most noticeable pros/cons after using this monitor daily for the past 3 weeks.